and it's here to stay. Can you hear the blackbird start to sing, telling everybody that it's finally spring? The cherry blossoms falling like pink white snow down every lane where the wild things grow. We'll find a little path where the river flows, where the scent of the clover meets the nose. It's a natural rhythm, it's so designed. I'm so glad to know that you are mine. Now the afternoon is drifting by underneath a big old English sky. Let's find a pub garden, sit on the grass, raise up a toast and a heavy glass, with the laughter ringing and the shadows long, joining in the chorus of the season song. Although those rainy days are gone, 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 the sun is coming out to carry us on. From the rolling hills to the valley floor, I don't hear the thunder anymore, just the sweet, sweet sound of a brand new day. Spring is here and it's here